Welcome to my Altima Telecom Internet Provider Review. Usage Experience. Links to their plans and services are available in the description below. In this video, I'll provide a straightforward review of Altima Telecom, highlighting their features, strengths, and who would benefit from their internet service. Altima Telecom is a Canadian internet provider focused on delivering affordable, high-speed broadband services to residential and business customers. Their offerings include fiber optic, DSL, and wireless internet plans designed to meet the needs of individuals, families, and small businesses. One of the key benefits of Altima is their competitive pricing, especially for customers who are looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising on performance. Altima offers a range of speeds, from basic internet options for light browsing to high-speed plans that can handle streaming, gaming, and working from home. For those who need fiber optic internet, Altima delivers fast and reliable speeds that can support multiple devices simultaneously without lag. Unlimited data is also included, which is a major plus for households with heavy internet usage or those who stream a lot of content. One standout feature of Altima Telecom is their flexible packages and no-contract plans, allowing you to choose the speed and features you need without being locked into a long-term commitment. This flexibility is great for customers who want to switch plans or upgrade as their needs evolve. Additionally, their 24/7 customer support ensures that assistance is always available if you encounter any issues. However, Altima's coverage is not as widespread as some of the larger providers, with availability concentrated mainly in certain areas. Customer reviews have been generally positive, although some users have reported occasional issues with service reliability during peak hours. Altima Telecom is ideal for budget-conscious consumers looking for affordable yet reliable internet. If you want a flexible, no-contract option that can grow with your needs, Altima is definitely worth considering. For more information, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.